Let's create a flat design ramen bowl in Adobe Illustrator. Begin by adding the reference image to your canvas and create 3 layers. Name them Outline, Color, and Reference. Turn the reference layer into a template layer. We're going to begin by creating the outline of the illustration using a black stroke with rounded caps and corners. For this process, we will use some shapes, the shape builder, and the pen tool. For this example, I will select all and activate the Shape Builder tool. Hold Option or Alt on your keyboard and carefully click on the lines to delete them. You will see me use this method very often throughout the video. For the base of the bowl, I will delete some anchors, leaving behind the right side. Use the pen tool, draw a line, and then select all and activate the Reflect tool. Hold Option or Alt on your keyboard and click in the middle, and then press on Copy. Now let's draw the noodles. For this, I will use the pencil tool and trace the outline of the noodle. Try your best to keep a steady hand. Once completed, we can duplicate these lines to create more noodle strands. Finally, clean these up with a shape builder as we did before. Proceed by creating the rest of the ingredients using these methods. You can combine shapes together by using the Pathfinder panel. Select them all and click on the Unite feature to create one shape. Now let's move on to adding the base colors. Select all and create a duplicate of the line drawing onto the color layer, and then hide and lock the outline layer. Activate the Live Paint Bucket tool and click on the illustration. You can now assign a color to every closed shape. Using colors from the color palette, click and assign your colors. I'll leave color codes in my video description. Once done adding the colors, head to the Object menu and select Expand. Right-click and ungroup. Select the black lines and delete them. Go back to the outline layer and unhide it to see the full illustration. We will now finalize this by adding some shadows and highlights. Let's start by adding a shadow at the bottom of the bowl. Here, we can use shapes and the pen tool combined with the shape builder in order to create the shadows and highlights shapes. Make sure to use a darker shade for shadows and a lighter tone for highlights. And that is how to draw a flat design ramen bowl from sketch in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you enjoyed this quick video, and cheers everyone.